My takeaway from this workshop, we need to work in a coordinated fashion where the people at the province have got the same plan, the people at the districts, all the districts have the same plan with the work or the targets or the priorities that we already have as a province, as a district, so that whatever they come with is to enhance and enable us to be able to accelerate the work that we have to do in the implementation of mathematics and languages, and ensuring that our learners can be able to read for meaning, because learners who cannot read can definitely not do mathematics.
This workshop has benefited us immensely as a province, in the sense that we managed to bring different units from the districts. The mathematics unit, the languages units from the districts are here with us, and we work through the issues. We received a number of research inputs. Critical was when we were made aware yesterday by one researcher from NECT that our people, or various levels of the department, do not know about the reading plan. They also do not know about math and science technology strategy of the Limpopo Provincial Department of Education. And I think this was revealed yesterday. And I think critical steps going forward will be these people to embark on advocacy programs to ensure that a lot is known about all these various documents and policy instruments of the department, so that they know what needs to be done.
Districts are now aware of the difference between the SIP, the normal SIP, subject improvement plan, and the reading strategies, stroke the reading plan. And thank you for bringing maths and languages together to make them realize they all have a duty to improve outcomes, math outcomes and reading outcomes. And believe you me, this workshop will result in that. So what I think we should do from here is go down to each district and give further support. Make sure that the committees, the reading committees that we hear, are able to disseminate the knowledge they gain here to every stakeholder out there, and make sure what we have planned here is implemented to the fullest.
As a province, we managed to align our provincial reading plan with the reviewed national reading plan. This workshop came in at the right time when we were finalizing our provincial reading plan. We managed to identify the gaps after the engagements and the presentations. We will go back and refine our provincial reading plan. At the same time, the workshop assisted us to develop the district generic plans. The districts will then go back and contextualize them. And then we will be able to then give them necessary support so that they can be able to implement their district reading plan.